Good morning everyone and welcome to Pinewood Studios, the home of 007 and countless blockbusters. We're here today with Sony UK and UK shooters to host a very exclusive Filmmakers Event, the Filmmakers Event. The 20 attendees will be split into 4 groups, each tasked with making a 90-second short film. They'll be using their FX2, limited environment and a selection of props. And today's agenda will be split into 3 parts, 40 minutes to plan and storyboard their films, 3 hours to film the piece, and 2 hours for the edit. Then, at the end of the day, we'll be screening their films on the big screen at the John Barry Theatre for the judges to decide the winners. Let's get into it. So right now the teams are unboxing their kit, but now we're going to announce what prop they're going to use for their video. We are going with Taya's team are going to be blessed with the binoculars. Keenan's team, typewriter. James, cassette player. And Luke, Kodak camera. Alright guys, so we're here in the ballroom, so let's go and see what ideas they're cooking up. 10 minutes left, how are we getting on?
It's very difficult bringing so many minds together, but the end product will be fire.
I think we're doing pretty great. I think we're going to win.
We're feeling pretty damn confident, I'm not going to lie.
I'm the actress today, so...
Oh, we've got a designated actress already, guys. The storyboarding is nearly complete. Then they'll be tasked with filming. Yeah, I'm super excited to see what they come up with.
I personally only ever shoot at either 800 or in this camera. 25.
You're not meant to do it alone.
Okay guys, so technically your time is up. However, if you would like to continue your storyboarding and continue discussing your script, that's absolutely fine. You're just going to be eating into your 3-hour window for shooting.
So the guys should be filming right now, but some are still deep in preparation and deciding their ideas.
So maybe there is a way.
Some sort of like orbit.
We're making it short.
Fence.
James's team, it seems, they are already out filming.
Currently, we are setting up for our first test shoot.
Got a bit of home improvements going on over here.
It's all about what you bring to the table, you know?
Oh! We are reaching the halfway point with the filming session. James's team have been cooking for a while now. Keenan's team are also cooking up. They are using the natural light, as opposed to James is here with a pavo tube.
There is a point in using artificial light, but it's just too much time to set up to make it look good.
I think that's a great idea. I mean, if you haven't got the ability to light artificial light in a way, I would do the same thing.
Now, Luke's team is still sitting down. This is slightly alarming as, you know, time is ticking.
I'm just checking that all the shots are matching, we're looking good, camera movement, and it's having a story that the viewer can see from the start and the end, and they can see the entire arc.
Just be like curious.
Here, check out this thing.
Luke, while you're setting up your trousers there,
Yes.
if the FX2 was a person and he was on James's team, how would the FX2 behave?
Bosh.
If the FX2 is on Keenan's team, what kind of personality or how does that camera feel right now?
Reminds me of Keenan. Small sensor. Lots of pixels, so over-exaggerating what it really needs. A bit like his car, do you know what I mean? Like, it's just trying to overcompensate.
Sick. Okay. I'm gonna roll and then get out.
Stop typing.
30 minutes left. Yeah. How are you feeling?
Luke's just verified, it's now past.
1 hour left. All right, so we're back now with Taya's team.
The vibes are good. It's not the easiest thing to do, I won't lie. It's important to ask each other, what roles do you think you're good at? What do you think you're lacking? And I think just being decisive, which is something I'm not good at, but I'm just here to vibe.
Yeah, it was always an opportunity to improve, right?
Thanks.
Yeah.
We have Garrett now being a prop.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1.
We're back inside now. We're going to check in on the rest of the teams. There is 15 minutes to go. If the FX2 is on Luke's team, how is the FX2 feeling? What kind of person would the FX2 be right now?
It'd be shooting at 25 frames per second, but at like 1/4 shutter speed. Drag shutter, ISO 59 million.
We're on our way to the next spot, which is outside Pinewood. It's a secret spot.
Okay, you know there is 13 minutes left.
We are aware of the time, yeah. You saw the back of my t-shirt right now. You would be questioning its dryness or questioning its wetness. I'm very sweaty.
Not sure what that means. Okay, they're leaving the venue with 12 minutes to go to shoot.
Yeah, we definitely. I think that was just quite.
I wish I'd had it further around the back because it's very flat. You see, like here.
Right, so the final piece of the puzzle is, because Taya can't answer for everyone else, we're going to ask Oscar, so.
I feel like it was in good hands, I guess. Who's coming up with these questions?
Some of us need to look for the sound. Well, I'm a little bit nervous and conscious about time because editing takes a while, but I think we got it.
All right, so lunchtime is over. The teams have been editing now for over an hour. There's only half an hour left. Let's start with Luke's team.
So it's super exciting. It's looking really good. It's incredibly emotional. It's a little bit scary that we only have 30 minutes left.
Yeah?
Cinematic.
Getting there, like we have about 15 minutes left to complete this video. I think we have enough time.
And whether you see our film or maybe not.
So the vibe from this one is the taking part that counts.
I'm so glad to say that I was the first to finish today, or we were the first to finish today.
So everyone's finished now, they've exported their videos, and we're heading to the John Barry Theatre, and we're going to watch everyone's films, and then we're going to judge who the winner is.
So the judges have just been outside. We're going to do second place first. We have James's team. Congratulations to James's team on second place. And in first place, drum roll please, we have Luke's team. So congratulations to Luke and his team. Get up there, get up there.
So let's see how they're feeling.
Inspired.
Very inspired.
Future filmmakers.
Proof that community matters.
I was going to say inspired as well. Elated, this is awesome.
Filmmakers Lab!